are only going to take action, right? After again how to write proposal, sir is going to take care about that 8 rules for research, morning answer training. Maybe here or down. Your network problem is there, na? We'll go down.
Fine. Sir. Sir, you can see here, this is the book I have communicated. Okay. Sir, you can see here. Okay, I just communicated this book to them. This is the book we have communicated. And they give the some reviewer comments and all. This is the comments they have given. After I communicating, I think I just write that particular document I have shown you. I just sent to the Elsevier, and that Elsevier sent that review proposal to the 3 to 4 reviewers. That reviewers are giving some comments for that also. For reviewing this proposal, they are paying, I think, 14K per reviewer. After getting the comments, they are consolidate everything and send back to me. And I just revised as per their need. I will show you the revised document also. And I just send to them. Now they accept it. Once they accepted my proposal, I want to get all the 20 articles from my friend circle and consolidate. Okay, and I add some of my friends also, and I add my references also, citation also. Everything is ready. Then once they publish it, they are giving 4 hard copy of book with you, and they are giving 1.5 lakhs for all the 4 authors. You have to divide it. Okay, if you are having only 2 editor or 1 editor, that 1.5 is your hand only. Okay, and all the 20 chapters is going to be Scopus indexed. Sir, one more information also. Recently, UGC is revised the guidelines for the faculty promotion also. They are accepting book chapter also the ASIA article. UGC draft copy, they are clearly mentioned that if you are having 6 book chapters, you are eligible to become the associate professor. If you are having 10 book chapter, you are eligible to become the professor. If you have the doubt, you can check that also. Okay, it's very easy to improve your citation, university citation also, because 20 chapter per a book. If you are add at least 10 paper per chapter, it is going to increase the 200 citation. So it's going to increase your citation also, university citation also. It's very easy to do it. If you are ready to edit the book, I will support you. I will support you to find the editor also. Sometime, if you are adding 1 or 2 editor from the abroad country, maybe from the UK, US or Saudi Arabia or Australia, it's very easy to process. I am also in my book chapter, I have added 1 professor from the, I think, some Gulf country. Okay. So it's very simple to edit the book. You may try it, sir. Actually, this is the my reviewer comments. This is the comments they given. I have revised the chapter proposal like this. They asked me to revise the title of the book, and they asked me to change give the diversified for the author also. Though, so I have changed some authors, some title of the book chapters. This actually they asked to add some authors from the abroad country. In morning today I have shown you. I find 1 person from Russia. That person only I have added here. Okay. This they need to ask somebody from UK, that is European country. Then I add one of my friend from the UK. Actually, now that book is already accepted. You can see here. 8% of royalty and 4 printed copies. This 8% of royalty is equal to around 1.5 lakhs. So this is the one of the way to increase your citation and your visibility also. It's very simple. What you need, you have to just Google type it, book proposal for Elsevier, book edit. I want to publish a book. Otherwise, I will share this one, don't worry. I will share this document with Saravanan sir. You can get it from him. No worry, I can share it. Fine. Now, once again, we will go for the Mendeley. I think network is not out. Come back. Am I right, sir? Down only. Working, huh? Fine. Now we can go for the Mendeley. Sir, now in Mendeley, you can give the input to the Mendeley by either way. You can add the PDF document to the Mendeley, or else you can copy the DOI number of the particular paper and you can add it. You just go to the any journal web page. Maybe here I am going to one paper. Go here. Select any issue. Okay, all issue. Sir, any issue, just go to the particular page. Here, particular paper. Here you have to copy this DOI number, copy this one, and you just come here, go to add entry manually. If you don't have the PDF with you, go to add entry manually, paste your DOI here, paste it. Sorry, I am not copy properly. This one, copy, paste it into your DOI, search it. Now it's ready. Title, author name, journal, user, that issue number, wall number, everything came, it's saved. If you are having PDF, you just include PDF. If you don't have the PDF, import the information from the DOI number by using DOI number. Okay, it's fine. Fine. Sir, some other way also there. Since it is a Elsevier product, here itself there is an option called add Mendeley. You just click it. For working this option, you have to install another one Mendeley. That tool named install web importer. Install web importer in the tool section. Install web importer. Goes to tool, install web importer. By using this one also, you can give the information. Right. This is the one kind of way. Another way, you can go to the Scopus. You can go to the Scopus. If you want to add all the paper of mine into your Mendeley, don't worry, you just click author, go to my name in Mendeley, search it. Actually, when it's needed, if now you want to recommend one person as a reviewer for your thesis, that time university is asking you to submit their complete publication details. That time just goes to their profile, any person's profile, just go. Here there is an option called export all. You just export as a pip text. Actually here also there is an option to directly add it to Mendeley. But no worry, you just export as a BIP text. Just export as a BIP text. Export. It's going to give you as a BIP text. Bibliographic text. Actually, 98 articles are getting loading now. It's imported. Just download. Now you just go, click this add files button. Click this add files button. Now you please click this imported this pip text button. This pip text. Just click it and open it. It is going to bring all the papers. That particular paper, since 100 paper is saving, means 100 paper will come to your hand. 1000 paper in that profile, all 1000 paper will come to here. Okay, so this is the one of the way to give the input to your Mendeley. Now you trained your Mendeley, am I right? Sir, initially you created a Mendeley account, then you installed the Mendeley desktop software, then you connected your Mendeley with the Word document. Now you give the input to the Mendeley. There are more options are there. You can give PDF document as a input. You can give the DOI number as a input. You can give the pip text as a input. Otherwise, you can add the article directly from the Elsevier web page itself. Okay. Apart from that, sometimes you want to add the article from some Wikipedia pages. No worry, that also you can do. You just Google it, something with Wikipedia. Now, natural fiber. I am just using this keyword, natural fiber. It's not working. Sir, you can come here. This is the Wikipedia page. Now, actually, in Wikipedia itself, there are number of references are there. Here, there are a number of references are there. Now, you can click this button. This is the Mendeley web importer. Already I asked you to install. Under tool section, there is an option called a Mendeley web importer. Okay, you just click whatever the paper you want to add. You just click because this is the 26 article which is in the reference section. This is the different reference sections. You just click R button. Automatically this information will come to your Mendeley. Okay, so these are all the different ways to add document to your Mendeley. It's fine, sir? Shall I go ahead? Fine. Now your Mendeley is ready. Now you can open any of the Word document, one new Word document. One new Word document. Now you can write anything, some introduction, everything. Fine. You are ready. Now you want to give the reference to the or particular document. What do you want to do? Goes to reference section, add insert button, go to Mendeley, select a document, click the cite button. There is a double quote button is there. You just click cite. One. Insert, go Mendeley, next document, cite. Next document, cite. Next document, go to Mendeley, cite. Okay. Now you completed your document and add all the citations. Now you want to insert your bibliography at the reference section. Just click this button. All the article which is cited automatically will come to your reference section. No need to edit and all. This automatically will come to your reference section. Now we are giving to the 1, 2, 3 format. Okay. Now you are uploading your article to one channel which is asked you to 1, 2, 3 format. Now you are going to upload your article to the another channel. Maybe they are asked you to for the et al format. Okay. You just go and click the style button. This is the style reference section. Style button. You can click the Chicago format. Automatically change into et al format. Sir, you don't worry about the alphabetic order. You don't worry about the 1, 2, 3 bracket, square bracket, superscript, subscript. No worry. And especially many times the journal specific citation formats are available. Any format you can choose. Okay. Sometime you may trying to select some journal's name. If it is not available, I will try. I will try for that also. So it's it work. I think it is a wonderful tool. Actually, I learned this tool in 2019. One of my friend named Muttunarajan taught me this tool. One of my friend. When I was in Kamaraj Engineering College, he taught me this tool. I don't want to forget him because it is reduced to unwanted burden of my entire research work. So generally what happened? We are uploading our paper to one channel. They are rejecting it. Then we have to once again sit together, manually editing references. It will take 2 to 3 months. We will forget that paper. Then we cannot publish the article. So what is the way I am following nowadays? I am using all my scholars, all my research collaborators should use the Mendeley for the referencing. Or if any journal rejecting my paper, I don't worry about it. I am just click it, change the formatting and upload to another journal. Okay, so you have to automate your referencing. That is much essential. Okay, right? Okay. Now I am going to install how to install the different styles. If we want to change into another format, maybe here there are n number of formats are available. You can ease it down. If you cannot find your particular paper style, there are another option called, you just click this button, styles button, go to more style. You can search it here. If you cannot find the particular style of your paper, don't worry, goes to the get more styles. Get more styles. Get more styles. Here you can type the journal name. I am typing some journal name. Here, Japan Journal of Industrial and Applied Mathematics. I don't have the format. You just click install. Now it is installed. Done. Now once again you can go, click more style. Then Japan. Click use this style. It is green. Automatically this style is going to be selected. Okay. By a click you can change any style. Any style within a click you can change and you can use. So automating your Word document, your manuscript by Mendeley is essential component. Okay. Apart from that, why I ask you to use this particular Mendeley? There is a reason is there. Already I asked you to give the PDF document as a input. Am I right? If you are using this particular version, if you are searching anything in the Mendeley bar, it is going to read inside the PDF document. Okay. Now I am preparing any table of content or any table. Now I want to get some tensile strength value from my entire database. Okay. Now I can go here. Here I want to get some tensile strength value. Okay, maybe my tensile strength value with the unit of megapascal. I am just type megapascal here. All the article with the megapascal value only will come, only will sort. Then I can open here, it is directly goes to the megapascal value, and then easily I copy the data whatever I need, easily I can prepare the tables. By using mainly only I am preparing my table. Okay sir, actually but you have to change the habit. Whenever you are downloading a paper, you must upload that first into Mendeley. Sir, today I am having 8,000 document in my Mendeley. 8,000 document in my Mendeley. It is the collection of 8 years. Whenever I download any paper, I am just add it to Mendeley. You can just see here. I can show you. See here. My Mendeley. Go here. Delete this also. Select all. 8,409 total document in my Mendeley. You can see here that left side. That arrow mark here that is mentioned. 8,409 documents in my Mendeley. So you have to build your database. From here it's very easy to prepare your table. Okay, that is one feature. Next feature, it is automatically going to sort your paper based on the journal. As I told you earlier, now you are going to upload your paper into the Journal of Natural Fiber or Cellulose or Journal of International Biological Macromolecule, any other journal. So in that case, what you want to do, just go and select the particular journal in which you are going to upload your article. Now I am going here. Here I am going to upload my particular paper to Cellulose. I am just select this button Cellulose. What happen? All the article which I am having in Cellulose journal only come. Now what can you do? I want to add 5 articles from this particular journal. You just go here. Now I am going to add some papers here. This is only Cellulose papers. In reference section, any paper you can add. No one will not ask you any question. But this everything is coming from the Cellulose journal. Okay, now you can see here automatically 1, 2, 3 Cellulose papers are came into my reference section. Okay, and another input already I have given to you. Try to add your friend paper as a reference section. Am I right? Now what you want to do? One of my friend is having very good profile. He is having around 25,000 citations. Okay, he is my close friend. So now I want to add his name, add his paper for a citation. There is a higher possibility of my paper goes to his hand. Am I right? Now I want to search it here. Here, now I am coming here. I am selecting only Cellulose only. Now I am typing Sanjay. What are the paper Sanjay published in Cellulose? That alone will come. Now you can cite it here. Actually, this feature you cannot actively use into the recent version, mainly Mendeley site version. But here you can easily use. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Now you can merge any citations. You just select 8 and 9, go to merge citation. Sometime you want to merge the more citations, go and merge. Automatically it's merging. This also you can do. Sometime if you need all my 8,000 article into your Mendeley, actually you are my co-researcher, Now you want to cite all my article. Otherwise you need all my database. No worry. You just goes to Menly, control all, select, control all, right click, export, pip text, download it. All the paper, these 18 papers or 8,000 papers, you can export as a BIP text, and you can insert into your Menly. The database will come to your Menly. What, sir? Just go select the file button, you can add. Sir, I will give you 10 to 15 minutes. Try to practice it. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, practicing this tool is much needed. Sir, actually, I come to know that from the Saravanan sir, you all asking a tool for writing article. My computer request, you should not write using AI tools, but you can get the support from AI. This is the one kind of such support. Okay, you can try to practice this for 10 minutes. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Right click பண்ணுங்க, right click பண்ணுங்க. Particular paper right click பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க இந்த பேப்பரை வந்து எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ண நினைக்கிறீங்களோ, இங்க இந்த பேப்பரை நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ண நினச்சிங்கன்னா இதாக இல்லையா, இதில் போயிட்டு எக்ஸ்போர்ட் அஸ் பிப் டெக்ஸ்ட் இதில் கேட்கும், பிப் டெக்ஸ்ட் வந்துடும். ஸ்கோப்பஸில் போனீங்கன்னா ஸ்கோப்பஸ் ப்ரொஃபைல் போங்க, அப்போ தான் நான் சொல்ல முடியும். எக்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆல்னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும். யாராவது ஒருத்தர் ஸ்கோப்பஸ் ப்ரொஃபைல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியா? யார் ப்ரொஃபைல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிட்டுருக்க? அங்கே போயிட்டு எக்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆல் இருக்கு பாருங்க மேலே, அதை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நாட் எனேபிளிங்கா, தென் யூ டு லாகின் த்ரூ யுவர் காலேஜ் லாகின், அதர்வைஸ் யுவர் ஸ்கோப்பஸ் லாகின், தென் only it's work. Actually your login is not paid version, I am using paid version, then it's working. But your college itself they are having paid version, you just ask with your dean. Sir, tell me, sir. Sir, just install it, no? Just go to here, here tool, install web importer. That's enough. So it leads to the web importer and ask you to add Edge. If you are using Edge, it's going to add in Edge. If you are using Chrome, it's going to add in Chrome. Sir, tell me, sir. What, sir? When insert citation, no. You are using this new version, sir. That's why I ask you to use the older. No worry, you can give the input. How can you can give the input from that website itself? You can go to the Menly website. Here you can add the reference. No. Another one, library. You just go to library. RSV. Add reference. Click add reference, sir. No, you are not clicking that. Here you can. Yes, you can. You have to add it. Get it. Sir, is it okay? Okay. Okay.
How can entire selection?
Yeah. Just select enter link. Yeah, copy. Thank you, sir. அப்படியா? ஓகே, அப்போ கொடுத்துடலாம். அப்படியே 10 minutes அவங்க பார்த்துட்டு அப்படியே பிரேக் கொடுத்துடலாம். இல்லை அவங்க கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார். சார் first paste it, then search, paste it the DY there, paste it, search it, search, click the search button, Search, sir, search. After getting the information, you save it. Save it. Now you save it. Now it comes to your. Yeah, tell me, sir.
நமக்கு 20 பேஜ் 30 பேஜ் இருக்குது சார். ஃபஸ்ட் பேஜில் ஃபஸ்ட் சைட்டேஷன் இருக்குது, அது கீழே தான் வருதாங்க சார் ரெஃபரன்ஸ், ஃபஸ்ட் ரெஃபரன்ஸ். இப்போ அது சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும், இல்லைன்னா நடுவில் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். எடிட் ஆப்ஷன் ஒரு டைம் சொல்லுங்கள் சார்.
எங்கே எடிட் பண்ணணும்?
இப்போ நமக்கு 30 பேஜில் 2வது ரெஃபரன்ஸ் வேணும் சார். இல்லை 80 இருக்குது, 8 இருக்குது. ஸோ இப்போ 8க்கு 2, 2 8, அது எப்படி மாற்றணும் சார்? கீழே
8 2 2 ஆகணுமா? அப்போ நீங்கள் மாற்றணும்னாக்கா என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, you have to delete complete bibliography section.
ஓகே.
1 second you cut the 8 into 2 and 2 into 8, you just paste it. 1 second you give the bibliography, it will automatically change.
கீழே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக
Change. Now, not only here, there also it's automatically change. You try it and let me know. I will come, sir. What, sir? Okay. No, they will not check it, don't worry. Okay. They will not check it, edit it. Create the home page in the color. That one Q1, Q2 like that. Okay. Okay. சாப்பிடுங்க, முடிச்சோன்னே 3 சாப்பிடுவோம்.
ஃப்ரீயாக இருங்க.
சரிங்க தலைவர், சரி. ரைட், பையன் மாதிரி நான் சார், tell me, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
How the reference has to come?
Yeah, you just you have to click this button, insert bibliography.
So that will come.
Yes.
If I put the second one,
You have to put it there only. Yeah, just insert. Okay. Nice. Music carrier. After selecting, it will be mandatory. Okay. Side one. You are already selected that one, ma'am. One. Actually, you are selected this one and cited. Now you want to add another paper. Go to mainly. Cite another paper. Cite. Okay. Okay. Now just come and click insert button. Ma'am, that is you have to install the one another tool named tool install web importer. You just click it and you have to add this web importer edge page. Now it's ordered, get it. Now it's ordered. Add extension. It's fine. Now it's fine. Now it goes to here, any Wikipedia page. Anything you can type it here. Anything. I will type it. My area, okay. Fiber. Wikipedia. You just go here. Now here one option is coming. Extension option is coming. Where it's no. It's already came. Let's check. Mainly importer, yes. It's running. Now it's going to be login. After login, you can easily capture it. Right. Is it okay, ma'am? Is there any doubt? You try to practice. Surely it's quite difficult when you are start first time. But you practice it. It's very wonderful. Actually, sometimes you are inserting some debugger journals, PDF. So it's not give you the input for all the title, journal, that author name and all. In that case, you have to use the DOI number only. Okay. Actually, already you are imported some PDF document. It's not bring the title and author name because that is not the standard journal. Okay, you are just imported some Dubagur journals. Okay. Try to use some standard journals. Yes. What, ma'am? Author name. You just goes to that particular open mainly. Here you can search the any author, any of your friends you are having. You just search it there. File only. Yeah. Not only file. Actually, you have to give the input. I am having 8,000 document. So I am having a lot of database. First you have to train your Mendeley. Okay. Sir, actually tomorrow also I will come here, you know. So today night try to use this Mendeley. Sir, it is going to reduce over half of the work. Okay, you will find a lot of problems. Surely you will find a lot of problem. Please let me know. I will sort out. Actually, as per the schedule, I am not available here tomorrow. But unfortunately, your professor is not coming, so I am tomorrow going to enhance with you. Don't worry. Okay. Engage with you. Yes, sir. Okay. Export. Click it. Then pip text, any format you can. EndNote format, pip text format. You just save and you have to import into the particular. Another. So if you want to send this to me, you can send me and I can import it to my Mendeley.
No, it is download. You will send to other person. You just will insert.
All the papers mean you.
No, 1 year. No, all not possible, na.
You can side. Yes, come. Yeah. Anything you can. Any document you can. Any number of document you can import, sir. Ma'am,
10
install.
minutes break. 3:40 sharply. We'll start next topic.
Up to 4:30.
4:30. Anyway, some people are waiting for the doubt.
Okay.
They are asked the people.
Okay. It's a very important tool. Please try to learn. Okay. access, that is access. Sir, actually it's only possible for the people those who are acting as a reviewer for Elsevier. Others cannot do it. But however, I can tell you what is reviewer login in Elsevier, reviewer hub, and how to add your Scopus subscription. And apart from that, what are the benefits you are getting if you are reviewing the article, and how can you maintain your reviewer database also. Okay, that's I can tell you now. So actually, if you are the reviewer for the Elsevier, there is an option called Elsevier Reviewer Hub is available. Okay, I just log in now. Don't worry, after finishing this topic, I will touch some AI tools. Okay, people sir ask me AI tool. Sir, I can tell you that AI can be adapted for supporting your research. Writing cannot be used for the writing your article. Surely you will be captured. It leads to retraction of your paper. Okay, and even I can tell you that how can you use Quillbot in a safety way. Like that I can tell you. But you should not completely depending upon the AI for writing. You can just ask ChatGPT, write the introduction for this particular topic, copy and paste it. Surely it will not work. Even it leads to the problem. Okay, fine. Now I am going to teach only one area, that is Elsevier Reviewer Hub, plus I am going to touch one or two AI tools today, and tomorrow morning I will give you some other tools. Okay, then only you will come, I am right? Otherwise you will not come tomorrow. Huh? Okay, fine. Sir, actually, if you are the reviewer for the Elsevier, there is an option called Elsevier Reviewer Hub. This is Elsevier Reviewer Hub. Here, sir, it's not working, I think. Internet provider, please come. It's coming, but it's coming, sir, but it's not working properly. What, sir? Connect my mobile. Yes. Yes. Okay. Editor. Okay. So this is the Elsevier Reviewer Hub. Actually, here you can see all my information, my reviews. How much, what are the journals I am reviewing, how many papers I am reviewing in Elsevier especially, and what is there any invitation pending, is there any review in progress, and is there all the review history, and he can see here there is an option called reward. I am having the access for the Elsevier and Scopus for 1783 days, and I can add this also. So if you are reviewing any paper to the Elsevier, then they are giving the free access for your Scopus access. Even from your home, you can download all the paper from Elsevier. Even you can download the book chapters from Elsevier, and even you can access the entire Scopus database. So every time if you are reviewing any paper in Elsevier, you are having such options. That is one. Second thing, whenever you are reviewing any paper, my suggestion, whenever you are reviewing any paper, you have to maintain the database. So for that, for maintaining database, there is a one option is there. How I am maintaining it? Whenever I am reviewing any paper, they are sending me a thanks mail. Am I right? Whenever you are reviewing any paper, they are sending you the thanks mail. In that mail, you have to, that's not working properly. Sir, whenever you are receiving any thanks mail for reviewing your article, you have to forward to this particular mail, review@webofscience.com. If you are forwarding this your thanks mail to review@webofscience.com, they are automatically save your information, all the database. Now I can show you how Web of Science is maintaining my review database. Actually, for creating account on this one, you can freely view your Web of Science login also. Now I can go for Web of Science login. You try to connect. Yes. Okay, no worry. I will try here now. Sir, okay, we connect. Please connect. Sorry. Actually, here you need to log in your Web of Science profile using your RCD ID. Anything you can use. I can log in using my RCD ID. Actually, from this login also you can see a lot of wonders. Like your ResearchGate, like your Google Scholar. Here also you can see a lot of wonders. Even they are properly maintaining the your information, like our profile, my research profile. You can go and see the research profile of a particular person, all the paper titles and whether indexed or not, everything you can see here. My research profile, publications you can see. Here you can see the peer review records. Actually what I am doing, whenever I am receiving the thanks mail from the journal, I am just forward to the review at Web of Science. They are maintaining what are the article I have reviewed, title, journal, which day I have reviewed, all the database they are maintaining here. And editorial record also, what are the journals, I am in the editorial board member, you can see here. Journal of Natural Fiber, Discover Polymer, Internet Journal of Polymer Science, Istanbul Commerce University Journal of Science. These are the papers I am reviewer here. And apart from this, you can see some other information also. Here, can go, please open this dashboard. Actually, from here you can see some wonders. Now you want to find some collaborator, or you want to find some postdoc in US or UK, Canada. In which browser you want to approach, you don't know. Very easily, you just come and see here, who are the persons from different university who cited your article. It is mapped in the world map. Now I want to connect with a professor from US or UK or any other country. I want to connect a professor from US. I am just click it. Now I want to click this particular paper, copy and search what is this paper. And who is cited your paper? A particular person maybe from the US. Find that person, profile. Okay, you can easily find the particular process here. Then you can connect with them. Clearly they will connect. You just say, I write them, sir, you are so and from USA, I am from India, and you have cited a number of my papers, and you and me have the same area of research interest. Why don't you collaborate? Like that, you just drop a mail and send to them. Surely they will respond to you. Likewise, you can easily find the different countries. You just check this particular graph. From this graph you can connect the people. If you nowadays you want to some person from Eritrea, you just go check that area. If you want to get from person from the Pakistan, you can go. Iran, you can go. Click that button, and which article they are citing you can easily find out, and you can easily find the authors also, and send them the invitation. Surely they will respond. Okay, this is the one of the way to connect the people around the world. Fine. So as per your request, now I am entering into the AI part. Okay, actually still where you want to use Quillbot and how you want to use Quillbot, that is pending. Okay, tomorrow only I am going to demonstrate that one. Everybody is having Quillbot login. Am I right? Sir already told that Quillbot login is available. But you are all generally using Quillbot. But when you are using Quillbot, there is some rules and regulations are there. By using only you have to use. Otherwise you will be captured by the Turnitin. Okay, so tomorrow I will demonstrate that one. Now I am entering into the AI. First I am going to speak about the connected papers. Okay. Connected papers is the one of the tool can be used for the literature survey. Connected paper is the one of the tool can be used for the literature survey. Now you want to make some literature survey. Go to the connected papers and add any paper's DOI number. Any paper's DOI number of the any paper. You find the some papers. Okay, this paper I am taking. I am just go copy and add the DOI number of the particular paper. And search it. Sir, actually we want to analyze about the any paper. You just copy and paste the DOI number of the particular paper. Then it's going to build the diagram like this. From this diagram, you can easily understand that it's going to create the connection between the different references. Where this is the main paper mean, it's taking, and from here, what are the different papers are connected, you can easily find. Actually, when you are connecting this paper, you can open the graph for that paper also. So like this one, you can easily find the different papers in a particular area. It may be very useful for the literature review part. What are the papers you want to download? What are the papers you want to include into Mendeley? Everything by adding the DOI itself, you can easily find what are the different articles related to particular paper. You can easily find here. You just try, sir. You can also make a map like this. You just go to the connected paper site and copy and paste the DOI number, and you can get the graph like this. If you want to add this paper to your database, you just click save button. Then it's going to be added to your database. Actually, now you want to see this as a table form. Yes, you just click the view button. It's going to give into the table form. Now you want to sort this entire article by the title. You just click this title button. Now you want to sort the entire title by the author. You just click this button. Sometimes we need only recent papers. You just click this here button. Automatically recent papers will come first. Sometimes we need the article with the higher citation. You just click it. Sometimes you need all this paper. You want to add into your Mendeley. Don't worry. You just click this download button. It's create complete this database as a pip text, and you just download and insert it to Mendeley. So it will be very useful while you are giving input to your Mendeley. Understand, sir? Sorry, you are understanding or not? Actually, first thing what you want to do, you have to copy the DOI number of the particular paper, then search it. Then it's going to create the diagram like this. What are the main paper? What are the papers are references are in that particular paper? So everything is connected here. So that it's called as the connected paper. Now you are converting this diagram into the table format. You just click this button, view button. It's going to the table format. Now whatever the format you want to sort, by the author, by the title, by the year, by the citation, anything, you can sort. Now you want to add the entire database into your Mendeley, no worry, you just go and click download button. It will come to text and you can add to your Mendeley. Okay. Sir, sometime you need the particular papers which is open access alone, because sometime you want to write your thesis. For that thesis you have to use the open access paper alone. You just click and apply, and only open access paper will come, other papers will not come. So this is the very wonderful tool while you are initiating your literature review. You are in the starting stage of your literature review. This is a wonderful tool to create your database. Okay, sir, if you are in the starting stage, now only you are going to start your research. Okay, go find a particular paper. From that paper you can easily find the connected papers, that is reference of the reference and reference of the reference, and you can download and given to your Mendeley as a input. Okay, but better to download all the PDF documents and given as a input to your Mendeley. That will be better. Fine. What, sir? Actually, open access paper, you want to download it, if here itself you can download. Okay, other papers you can personally go and download. No, every paper, any paper it's working, no worry. All the paper it's working. Okay. Sir, hope it's a very important tool for the literature review alone. Say, whatever the tool you are using, that is automatically connected with the Mendeley. Here also you can easily connect this tool, this paper, automatically download all the paper as a BibTeX, and you can give the input to the Mendeley. Fine. Actually our Google Doc itself, there is here one option is there. You can see here. Generally people are using Google Doc, am I right, sir? You are all using Google Doc. Okay, now you can go to tools. Here there is an option called review citation linked objects, voice typing. How many of you use this one? Voice typing. Hello? Very good evening to one person here. It's my pleasure to take the class at Aditya University. Sir, actually it's one of the wonderful tool when you are typing your article. Okay, generally when you are want to write something through voice, you just make a headset and you can speak in front of the computer, so it will type. Okay, when you are using the Google Voice Talk, there must be some internet. You may try it now itself. Just go to the Google Talk, go to the tool button, and you can speak. It will work. What, sir? Internet only, internet time only. Okay. Okay. Actually, the same option is available in our Word document also, but it must be the recent one. Okay. You can the same option you can use into your Word document also, but your Word you must be have the updated version. Sir, here there is the option called dictate in your Word. Open it. Now you can speak. Hello? Sir, while writing your article, you can use this also because it may give you that pluralism free content. But actually, our pronunciation is of difficulty here. Sometimes it's give you the different words. So you must be very careful while you are typing by using voice typing. Yes. Okay. So, the two things, you can use the Google Doc also, otherwise you can use the Word document also. That updated 2021 Word you are having, it can be useful. Okay. Sir, like that, another one option also there. Actually, that is automatically correct. It is automatically correct and give you the options. Like sometime you are speaking something with some grammar mistake and all, that option is going to correct your wordings and it will give you. That also I can give you, but it is paid one. That Google Doc and the word usage, that is free for everybody. But this audio pen is the paid one. You can try this also. But while you are speaking, it is correcting and giving you the reply. Sir, I am going to speak. No. Sir, good morning. It's my pleasure to handle the session at Aditya University. Sir, good morning, sir. It's my pleasure to sit in on Aditya. So it's correct and give you the words. Okay, it's also possible, but it's a paid version. What you used previously, that is Google Doc and Word, that is a free version. It's a paid version. That also you can try. It is something better for writing and all. Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, only one tool I am going to teach you today. Remaining we will see on tomorrow. Okay, only one tool. Actually, generally, sometime when you are reading any research paper, you can get some graph and all. they are not give any data points. Sometimes you want to compare your result with the particular other author's result. That time you can get the graph, but you cannot get the data points. Now I can give you the one tool to extract the data point from the graph. You can upload your graph. From your graph, you can extract the data points. Okay, that is I can give you. That is web digiplotter. Web digiplotter. Web digiplotter. This one. Here, sir, first you have to load image, 2D image, whatever the image, where you want to extract the data points, you just load this image. Choose file, any image. Now, I want to extract the data for this particular paper. Any paper, you can choose this paper, DGA curve, what I drawn today, I am going to extract. Okay, now I need the data point for this particular image, this blue line, you know, I want to extract the data point for that blue line. First, what do you want to do? Okay, sorry. Some pages are not working here. I can give it from another place. Okay. Load image, choose file, DG file, DDG curve. Sir, please see here. After loading image, it is asked you to align the axis. Now 2D XY plot we are selecting. Then align axis. What is the point you are click? That is X1. That is point 1 is X1. Another one is the X2. Then Y1, fourth one is the Y2. Now proceed. First point you are clicking, that is 30 degree. That is X2 is the 600 degree. Y1 is 0. Y2 is 100. Now I am completed. Going to give the X1 is the 30. X2 is the 600. Y1 is 0 and Y1 is 100. Now I have aligned all the information. Now I have taken the pen and going to draw a line on the graph. Which database I want to take it, I am just draw the line on that particular line. I think you can, hope you can see as a yellow color. Am I right, sir? Fine. Now everything fine. I need the data point as 10 into 10. Delta X is 10 and delta Y also 10 and run it. Okay. Now you come here. You just give the wonder here itself. Actually, you can download as the CVSV file also. So once again I can tell you that. Once again I will tell you. Please watch it again. Load image, choose file. What are the file you want to convert? Load. Now 2D XY plot, align axis. What is the point you are click, that is x1. Second point you are click, that is x2. Third point you are click, that is y1. Fourth point you are click, that is y2. Then proceed. Now you are click the point, that is x1, x2, y1, y2. Completed. X1 is 30 degree, x2 is 600 degree, y1 is 0, y2 is 100. Okay, now you want to create the pen, take a pen and draw the line on this particular blue line. You just draw the line on the particular blue line. Based on the image processing algorithm, just run the button. It automatically taken this complete blue line alone. You selected the entire blue line. Am I right? Now you can go to the view data point. There is a view data point. You can now download this data point as a CSV file. Downloaded. Fine. Now you can take this data point. Copy. Goes to origin. Draw the diagram. Convert to blue color, you can easily understand that. Okay, by using this feature, you can extract the data from the any image. Sir, go to the load image, select the file, exact file, select the file. Click it there, sir, select the file, choose the file. Sir? Ethical, no worry. No worry. For comparison purpose, you can use, sir, but you cannot publish it. For comparing whether you are getting improved result or not, you can use it. Generally, nowadays, you can ask the corresponding author to give the original data. Okay, that is the declaration statement itself. We have to mention that. If surely we will give the data based on the inquiry like that, we have to mention. It's a mandate nowadays. Sir. Sir, if you have any doubt on today's session, from morning to now, you can ask me.
These type of architectural diagram, the origin ID that is related to data and data with respect to diagram. This is architectural diagram.
Okay.
I felt the difficulty. I used the PPT for
Actually,
drawing.
I also don't have any idea on this.
With respect to data, we can generate.
Mainly, 1 second. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue 1 second, don't worry. Okay, because you are half day, I won't get this. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Sir. So anything you can do it, but different selection you are doing, it means accordingly you have to select the different options here. You have to try and you can get it. Okay. Sir, actually, somebody is asking doubt once again on Menley. Is it need to repeat again? Menley. Okay, fine. Tomorrow I will give the once again revision on Menley. Okay. Actually, from today morning, what we have seen, I will summarize in 5 minutes. First, we have, I told about the importance of connect with the people throughout the world. Okay, you can easily connect with the people. First, you have to create the ResearchGate profile, and you have to start to message. Sometimes you cannot get the message option ResearchGate. Try to Google their name, find their mail ID, send them the mail. Okay, nowadays I am also doing that kind of activity. Okay, you can see, I can show you that in my mail itself. Send mail. Research collaboration. The same mail, you just type or ask ChatGPT, it will give the mail. Okay. Sir, actually, I am not at the export ChatGPT to you. Tomorrow I can tell you what are the questions you can ask to ChatGPT. Any question you can ask to ChatGPT, it will give, but you must be very careful. Sometimes it may manipulate the unwanted data and given to you. Okay. So that also we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. And if you need my number, okay, you can Google it. You can Google it and you can find my number. I also will Google it. Okay. This is my old college profile. Sorry. From Google you can find. You can use this mail ID, but it's not working. This is my number. First one is working. Okay, this is my mobile number and mail ID. If you want to connect with me, you just send me the WhatsApp now itself, no worry, because I know that tomorrow you will forget me. Okay, you just send me the WhatsApp, I will connect with you. If you have any doubt, you just ping me in WhatsApp. And if you are really interested to edit the book also, please let me know. I will tell you how to earn money. Okay, actually tomorrow what I am going to cover, there are some options are pending, maybe Quillbot is there, and how to use the ChatGPT also I am going to cover, and how to connect, upload the article into the paid channel without APC. That also I am going to lively demonstrate. And actually we start with the ResearchGate, then Google Scholar, then Google Scholar Alert, then we speak about, discuss about the Google Channel Finder, then we speak about the what is happening in editorial office, and what are the parameters they are checking, language check, then pluralism checking, then they are checking about the citation and all. Then we discussed about the, what we discussed? Menley. Then we discussed about this candidate papers and all. Okay, these are all the today concepts we discussed. If you have any doubt on this area, you can ask me now. Otherwise, you can ping me. Okay, tomorrow we will see about some other topics. Thank you.